So Peninsula Plateaus divided into two parts. Narmada rivers. The upside is here, Central Highland. South side is here, Deccan Plateaus. So the Central Highland now is Central Highland. The Central Highland is extended between the river Narmada, between river Narmada, northern Great Plains. So the middle part is called here Central Highland. So the extent between the rivers Narmada, the northern Great Plains, Aravalli of the west, Aravalli, so the western side, and the northeastern edge of the Central Highland, and the northwestern of the Central Highland. These hills extend from the, so these hills extend from the, for like that. So Central Highland like that. One is the Gujarat, here Gujarat, Rajasthan and Delhi. So through the way, one is here Rajasthan, Gujarat and Delhi. So as mentioned is the Gujarat through the Rajasthan and Delhi in the northwesterly directions for the distance of about 700 kilometers. 700 kilometers. After that is the maintains 700 kilometers. The height of these hills about the 1500 meters. 1500 meters southwest. While is near the Delhi, the highest and hardly 400 meters. The highest range of the mountain is called Guru Shikhar. The Guru Shikhar is like the highest height is the 1722. So mainly for the western part of the Central Highland. So the western part of the Central Highland is the Malwa Plateaus. Malwa Plateaus. The western part of Central Highland is known as Malwa Plateaus. The southeastern is the Aravalli and the north of the Vindhya ranges. So southeast side is the Aravalli and north is the Vindhya ranges. The some of the rivers are they enter into Malwa Plateaus. One is here Sambal, Bedwa, Ken. So train into the Malwa Plateaus before join the rivers. So first one is the Malwa Plateaus and the Yamuna rivers. So is the Ken, Sun, Bedwa. So before join the Jamuna rivers. There is part of the Central Highland which extent of the east of Malwa Plateaus is known as the Bundelkhand and further extent is the Pahalkhand. So one is the eastern Malwa Plateaus, east side. So north side, south side. So another one is west side, east side. So eastern side is called here Pahalkhand. The northeastern part of the Indian Plateaus known as Chota Nagpur Plateaus. Yes, mentioned in India map. Malwa Plateaus. Yes, is located in the Chota Nagpur Plateaus. So the Chota Nagpur Plateaus is located in the northeastern part of India, and it is mainly the most of the minerals also located in the Chota Nagpur Plateaus. So India most of the places, minerals are located in the Chota Nagpur Plateaus. It covers much of the part is Jharkhand and some part of the Odisha, West Bengal and Odisha and West Bengal like that. Is the Chota Nagpur Plateaus. It covers the Jharkhand, the adjacent part of the Odisha, West Bengal, Bihar, Chhattisgarh. This region is very rich of the mineral resources, particularly iron and ore. So India most of the iron and ore is found in this Chota Nagpur Plateaus. So in this topic, the Peninsula Plateaus is a triangle shape. The cover the 16 square kilometers. Some of the plateaus are found. So you know that this is called a mountain ranges. And this is a mountains, this is a hills. The compared to small areas is called a hills, is a mountains. This is called a plateau regions. For neither Nilgiri plateaus, some of the Irkut plateaus, Polymere plateaus like that. So mountain ranges, Western Ghats continues. So mountain areas compared to small part is called hills and plateaus. So 4-5 types of the plateaus. One is Deccan plateaus, Malwa plateaus, Chotanagpur plateaus, Bandalgarh and Bahalgarh is. So Malwa plateaus, Chotanagpur plateaus, Bandalgarh, Bahalgarh plateaus are located in the north side. Only in the Deccan plateaus is located in the south side. So thank you.